Hello everyone. Welcome back to AV Creatives for some interesting and informative content related to our universe and audio-visual exploration in astrophysics, artificial intelligence, quantum theory, and astrology predictions about our mysterious universe.
Our space is always expanding, and we know that, but we can't fully explore it and don't have access to reach and describe the universe. Moreover, we need to clarify the availability of any living systems or fast travel and communication access in long-distance travel within a reasonable time period in our universe. AV Creative's goal is to reveal some of the mysteries of the universe to all. Kindly take your time and patience to watch this video until the end. Speed of light is a universal constant and is a fundamental characteristic of light or photon. There is no argument as to why the speed of light is 3 × 10⁸ meters per second. But the speed of light in a vacuum is actually approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, not 3 × 10⁸ meters per second. So, the correct speed of light is c equals 299,792,458 meters per second. This is a fundamental constant in physics and is denoted by the letter c. It's the speed at which all massless particles and waves, including light, travel in a vacuum. By utilizing various space-based telescopes such as the Event Horizon Telescope, Hubble Space Telescope, Compton Gamma Ray Observatory, Chandra X-ray Observatory, Spicer Space Telescope, and James Webb Space Telescope, among others, we are attempting to detect the presence of alien life or exoplanets in the universe. We are also searching for signs of artificial intelligence or living systems. We realize that almost all of space is black. We also know about dark energy and continue to study it. Thereby we are aware of the existence of lights on planets, star systems, galaxies, and clusters. Mainly, we depend on the principles of light, vision, atoms, mass, gravity, and dimensions. But in the dark universe, this factor is partially useful to us. The black hole is a prime example of that. In the black hole under current observation, the theory is that inside the center of the area called the singularity, time appears to be frozen. The outer portion of the black hole absorbs all nearby mass objects and atomic mass, as well as gravity, which gets absorbed in the singularity area. From there, it releases all the light energy, causing physical shape and dimensions to change. So, we have to discover more about black energy, as well as the characteristics about black holes, like the singularity that is a point of infinite density. How do we find that one? Only then can we possibly travel through the universe quickly through calculations of speed, which is equal to distance traveled divided by time. However, we know that it's only possible if time is reduced. The common factor in this equation is indeed time. We are familiar with atomic object travel in any state or by any means, where acceleration, velocity, gravity, friction, energy, and resistance are all factors. However, an important factor that is often overlooked is access to all the ways in all of the universe. We are humans who understand that something is true only when we see or experience it with our eyes or senses. From that moment on, our vision becomes the highest priority in our lives. That's why we don't know about what happens after death, because after death, we no longer have the ability to see or experience anything. We also know that some objects on Earth are trying to destroy themselves. But they can't be destroyed fully. Instead, they transform into another state or form of matter. And some objects cannot be restored to their previous state. However, we can identify the objects that will transform into a different state, including when, how, and where that they transformed. But we still cannot fully identify the living organisms or a small bacteria of their transformation after death. That was always a mystery of our universe. We are always trying to learn someone, somewhere, and something only. But we are not realized to learn our own mind. Also the mysteries of short period of our own lifetime. When we can get the knowledge and access about our life mystery fully, then only we can get a key idea to open all the above lock system in the mysteries of our universe. Thank you for watching AV Creatives, and I'll be back soon with a mysterious update from the universe. Once again, thank you for watching. See you again for more informative astronomical science exploration. Subscribe to AV Creatives and stay tuned.